Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make icons bigger or smaller on Windows 10 or 11. Easy. So very easy, guys. Firstly, click on View, and here option Large Icons. Firstly, click on Show Desktop Icons. Here it is. So guys, if you went to Medium, so click on Medium Icons. There it is. And if you went to Small Icons, so click on there it is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to make icons bigger or smaller on Windows 11 or 10. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update.